Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check saved Google passwords. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Following that, tap on Autofill with Google, and passwords. Now just click on one of the added ones that you wish to see. I will go with my Facebook one and enter your current login method. Then tap on this eye icon next to your password. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!